Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC for sale. This comes in a gray exterior, got a black interior. This nice accent stitching throughout the vehicle. Got power memory seats, both driver and passenger. Steering wheel, sunroof, and hopping inside, mileage currently at 29,980. We have a push button ignition. Here we have our display loading up. Below your display you have your climate controls. You have heated seats, both driver and passenger. You can access your different sport modes with a dynamic select button. You've got a CD player. Good buttons to access some of the functions on the display, such as our radio here. Does not currently have a memory card containing navigation software. Does support Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And we've got our backup camera and our shifter. Alright, hop on out, show you a few more things. And of course, if there's anything that you're curious about, you want to learn more about the features of this GLA 250, you can just reach us on our website. Happy to help. FeldmannImports.com. Quick peek here back up front. And another look at the sunroof. And then coming around to the back, we have our GLA 250 Mercedes-Benz 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk. Some new all-weather mats back here, and push button to close. So once again, if you have any questions about this 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC, just reach out to us on our website, FeldmannImports.com.